Okay, now let's talk about the second topic, script, in Lecture 2. In the previous lecture materials, all the commands were executed in the command window. Scripts are different. They are M files that contain a sequence of MATLAB statements. So the step to develop M files are first, start a new file, .m, and create the file with a list of commands, and then save the file and run the file. The first example for script is to consider the system of equations. X plus 2y plus 3z equals 1, and 3x plus 3y plus 4z equals 1, 2x plus 3y plus 3z equals 2. Find the solution xyz to the system of equations. And to solve it, first we use MATLAB editor to create a new file by clicking File, New, M file. And then enter the following statements in the file. A equals this matrix, and B equals 1, 1, 2, which is the right side of the equation set. And then the solution x, which is in fact the vector xyz, equals x divided by b. And then save the file, for example, example1.m. And then you can run this file and get your result for x. And we will show a demonstration of this in MATLAB. The second example is first develop the equations for getting y1, y2, and y3 given an x vector as the input, and then plot the three cosine functions, y1, y2, y3. And after you input the following code in a script new file and save it as example2.m and then run it, you can get this output as typical example of multiple plots. And you are going to learn more about data visualization in a later lecture. So the third example is from an example problem that we talked previously, which is the Euler's method with step size dt for calculating velocity in the bungee jumping example. And by inputting the following code in a new script and save it as example3.m and run it, in the end you will get the plot for velocity with a step size dt. There are side effects using scripts though. First, variables that already exist in the workspace may be overwritten, and you will see that in the MATLAB demonstration for scripts. And the execution of the script can also be affected by the state variables in the workspace.